Hi viewers, welcome to Market Madi. In this video, we are going to have pre-market analysis of Dow, Nasdaq, S&P 500 and all the three ETFs on which people will be playing options, and also the stocks of heavyweight stocks of Dow, Nasdaq and S&P 500. Now first let us see how the Dow is going to be. Dow yesterday touched 52 weeks high, as we have we have been telling you for the last 2-3 days that it is going to touch 41,376. It has touched yesterday after opening. It opened at it opened at 41,200, touched a high of 41,420, and closed at 41,240 yesterday. After touching 52 weeks high, normally any stock or indices will try to come down. So it has come down after that, and it closed at 41,240. So now today, what is the position of Dowjones and other indices? Let us see in this video. So will the uptrend continue, or will it try to go down? So Dow futures are showing down by almost 70 to 80 points. As of now, at the time of me recording, it is showing almost 70 points down, Dow futures. But will the downtrend continue, or will it again try to bounce back? That is to be seen today. See, actually, Dow Jones, as long as it is above 40,841, as I have been telling you, that it is an uptrend as long as it is above that. If it breaks, then it will try to go down. Otherwise, it can't go down. So this is first about Dow Jones, and so we have to wait and see today whether it is going to break 40,841 or it is going to be above that only. That is to be checked. As long as it is above that, then you need not be in a hurry to conclude that it is going to go down or something of that sort. And it will try to again cross 52 weeks high again. Then here is the chart what we are seeing yesterday. You see, after touching 52 weeks high of 41,376, it has almost come down. So badly it has come down and again bounced back and closed at 41,240. See the swing volatility in this chart, intraday chart you are watching here. Actually, the uptrend started from 40,530. This is the TCR of this. TCR means trend change rate. It is the rate above which it will be in uptrend. Otherwise, it is going to be in downtrend. Now, let us see the stocks of Dow Jones heavyweights. UNH, CRM, V, MCD, and GS, HD, and CAT. All these 6 stocks are in uptrend, and they will try to move further ahead. MCD, McDowell's means McDowell's is very strong, and it will try to further move up. MSFT and Amazon, these two are in downtrend, and they are yet to go down further to bounce back. It will take. There is still a little to go down. MSFT will go down to. Microsoft will have to go to 408. Then only the bounce will happen. And Amazon also, it has to go to 172 before bounce back. This is actually about this. Stocks of heavyweight stocks of Dow Jones. Now let us see DIA, that is ETF of Dow, on which options people mostly they will try to trade options. DIA closed on yesterday at 412.72. It opened at 412.64 and high 414.52, which we have been telling almost for the last 2-3 days. Above 405, they say it is supposed to go to 414. It touched yesterday 414 and closed at 412.72. So now the question is, will it stay above 408 or not? That is to be seen today. Will it break or will it stay above? If it stays above, it will cross 414 and also 417. That is to be watched today. Here the question is, already Dow has touched 52 weeks high, and Nasdaq and S&P 500 are to touch 52 weeks high. Whether they will try to move in that direction or not, that is to be seen here in this chart. Now now let us discuss about Nasdaq. Nasdaq futures are also showing down, but Nasdaq is above 17,653. So as long as it is above 17,653, it has strength to move further up. Now today we have to see whether it is going to break 17,653 or not. So actually, yesterday what has happened? Let us see. Actually, Nasdaq opened at 17,866. It touched a high of 17,909, low of 17,645, and closed at 17,725, almost minus 152 points. Now, will it? Will it? After opening, will it shoot up or not? That is to be seen. Where it opens, that's more important. If as long as that is, if after opening, if the current traded price is above open, then it will try to move up. So just watch where it is getting opened. So if it's opened down, don't conclude that it's going to go down. But if current traded price crosses open, then it will try to move up. So as long as 17,653 is not broken, Nasdaq will not go down that easily, and it will try to move up again to 17,926. This is the one to be remembered. This is the chart what we are watching here. You see after opening how slow, how drastically it fell down, and again after that how it tried to recover up. Actually it went up to almost 630 or what level I said it went up, and it tried to close at 17,625. So even if futures are down, let us see whether it is going to break 17,653 or not. That is to be checked into. And the stocks to watch here are Apple and NVIDIA. AAPL and NVIDIA, they are in uptrend. AAPL will try to move to 231, and NVIDIA also it has to go to 131. And MSFT, Amazon and Meta and ABGO, they are in actually downtrend. So let us see, they are yet to go little down before they take a bounce back. So Nasdaq has to move up, and because Dow touched 52 weeks high, so next is Nasdaq is supposed to touch 52 weeks high. So I feel today, from today onwards, or probably maybe tomorrow, tech stocks rally will start, Nasdaq stocks rally will start, and they will try to take this also to 52 weeks high. That's what I feel. So let us see whether it is going to go up today or not. Watch especially AAPL and NVDA, how they are going to take it up. So now let us check QQQ, ETF of Nasdaq. So ETF of Nasdaq on yesterday it closed at 479.45, and high touched is 480.3, and low is 473.24, and closed at 475.34. And trend for today is as long as it is above 476.3, it closed at 475.34. You see here. So if it crosses 476, then it will try to move to straight away 486. But if it breaks 476, if it stays below 476, then it will try to go down to 472. So you watch the level of 476 carefully, whether it is going to be above or below that. If it crosses, immediately it will rush to 486. This is to be watched. Then now let us check S&P 500 last. S&P 500 is in actually uptrend, very strong mood it is. So it tried to touch 5659, which we have been telling. So after that, after touching 5651, it tried to come down, and it settled at yesterday it closed at 5616. Now today, though the futures are showing down, where they are going to get opened, that's more important. And check the opening. If current price traded is above open, then wait for the market to bounce back. Otherwise, as long as S&P 500 is above 5575, then it will certainly have strength, and it will try to move up again to 5659. If it breaks 5575, then you have to think, and you have to wait for further whether it is going to go down or not. So this is about S&P 500. Here you are seeing the chart of S&P 500. Here also same is mentioned, where it is closing and what is the level to watch on the upside and downside. Then next last is SPY. This is ETF of S&P 500, and it opened at 563.1, and high is 563.91, low is 559, and closed at 560. So trend for today is S&P 500, SPY trend today is, because it closed at 560, if it as long as it is above 556, it will try to move up to 562. If it is near to 562, If it crosses 562 today on opening or after opening, at any point of time, if it crosses 562, it will certainly try to go up and reach again further highs. So this has to be watched today. So the three levels which you are supposed to watch, especially for S&P 500, the level to watch is 5575, and for Nasdaq is 17623, and for Dow is 40841. These three levels, if you watch, then automatically you will have the command in the market, and you can easily feel that you are watching the market very closely. So subscribe to Market Madi if you are happy with us, and share this video to others if you are happy with us. So we are just trying to make the markets of world markets very simple. I hope you will certainly try to see this and try to understand this. Subscribe to Market Madi. Thank you, and share our video.